If your water heater is over a decade old, it is time to check whether replacement is the smarter move than another repair. Start by finding the manufacture date on the rating label, usually hidden in the serial number where the first 2 digits are the year and the next 2 are the week. If you cannot decode it, search the brand plus serial number date chart. Typical replacement age is around 10 to 12 years for tank models and 12 to 15 years for many tankless units, assuming proper maintenance. Listen for rumbling or popping sounds, which signal sediment hardening on the bottom of the tank and wasted energy from overheating water trapped under that layer. Look for rusty water from hot taps or corrosion on the tank seams or at the hot and cold nipples, since internal rust often means the sacrificial anode rod is spent and the tank steel is thinning. Measure recovery performance by timing how long it takes to reheat after a full shower run. Slower recovery than last year points to scale buildup or failing elements. Track your repair history and energy bills over the past 12 months. If you are stacking repairs or seeing steady bill creep with the same usage, you are paying for age. The first common mistake is assuming a water heater will give a clear warning before failing. Many tanks rupture suddenly, so once you hit the 10 to 12 year window, plan replacement before a leak ruins flooring and drywall. Another mistake is relying only on outward appearance. Tanks can look fine while the anode rod is gone and the liner is corroding. So check the serial date, drain a gallon to look for gritty sediment, and inspect the anode if accessible. A third mistake is chasing repeated small fixes like thermostats, elements, or valve swaps on a very old unit. If repairs happen more than twice in a year or cost more than 1/3 of a new unit, shift to replacement and invest in proper sizing, a quality anode, and annual flushes to protect the new heater. We built bighomeprojects.com to make it easier to find local contractors for water heater replacement, installation, and maintenance without the guesswork. We also help contractors connect with nearby homeowners who need work, and we host a discussion community where we share tips, compare experiences, and answer questions together.